Hi all. Today we'll build a simple Rule 9 based rule engine integrated with Java 17 and Spring Boot project. The goal is to demonstrate how to dynamically apply business rules to simplify decision making processes in applications. The advantages of such combination of technology is that rule enables centralized rule management, allowing developers to separate business logic from code and making application easier to maintain and scale. So first see what is Drools. Drools is a powerful open source business rules management system or PRMS that uses a declarative approach to define rules and processes. It allows developers to create, update and manage complex decision logic in a flexible way. Its rule engine evaluates and executes these rules effectively at runtime. The benefit of using Java 17 and Spring Boot is that Java 17 brings modern language features like sealed classes and improved performance, making rule-based applications faster and more reliable. Spring Boot simplifies integrating rules with robust dependency injection, auto configuration, and production-ready features, enabling quick development of scalable rule-based systems. Now let's see how an actual project will work. Here we have created a demo rules application, which is nothing but a simple Spring Boot application. Our Pojo is item, in which we are having attributes such as name, ID, cost, and some others depending upon the need of that Pojo. Then we are having this rule controller, in which we'll be having a post mapping with endpoint rules. We are having a service class also, which will create initialization of rules, creation of Kai sessions, etc. And finally, we'll be having a startup services which loads all rules into the Kai sessions. DRL will be simple. This is a sample DRL and we can use anyone which we want. In application.properties, we just have server.port 8085 and application name. Apart from that, we also have kmodule.xml. This is basically for creating my Kai session. It is a sample Kai session which will be used during the creation of session while the Kai session gets up. So let's see how it works. So we have started the project. And our application will run on 8085 port. So our Tomcat has started on 8085. Now we have created one endpoint known as rules. So let's try to hit it through Postman. So we can see that we have hit the endpoint rules with this payload and we are getting output as rules fired. Now let's see what is happening at console. Here we can see that we have written a simple string that rules has been fired at this point, and we can see that the item details will be available to us here. So this is the item details which we have passed in our application from Postman. This was a quick demo. Let me tell you some more configurations about this. In pom.xml, this is the primary configurations that we have used. This is a Spring Boot 2.7.0 project. There are some dependencies which are necessary to work with rules, which are used rules core, compiler, Kai API. The version is 9.44, which is latest version. Apart from that, I have also added XML support. Spring framework is of version 5.3. and Java version that I've used is Java 17. Apart from that, during the development, we have found that it might happen that we need to have a system where it might be not able to identify various dependencies. So for that, we need to make sure that these dependencies are all together and working properly. That was mostly how it works. By leveraging Drools 9, Java 17, and Spring Boot version 5, we can build a dynamic and maintainable rule-based system that separates business logic from application code. This not only enhances application scalability and readability, but also empowers business to quickly adapt to changing rules without extensive code changes. It's a modern solution for complex decision-making scenarios in enterprise applications. That's it for today. Thanks.